Which foot is it? Just relax. Any pain on these?
No. Feels a bit of a pull in my leg when you go to the left.
More like this?
Yeah. There's no pain.
Okay.
That's painful.
Yeah. Okay. Bend this knee. And down. And again. Painful. In this position here, just going to press. More tender this side or when I was on the other side?
Left side. The side you're on now. Oh! Sorry. Oh.
Deep breath in and out. And deep breath in again and out. Bend this knee and let's go.
Oh.
Tender.
Yeah. What's this then?
Called a piriformis. You can feel it.
Oh, it doesn't hurt my leg at all.
It's just where I am, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. And lay on your side facing me this way, please.
So, is that from anything in particular?
No, I can't necessarily tell you that. I can just say this. Sleep very tight in there. Tighten it up. Get the sacroiliac joint. Nice. And let's go to this side.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just no pain on that. It's only when we press into here, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
That hurt before you make that.
Will do.
It's quite tender.
Yeah.
All along there, actually. Oh, and especially there.
Good. Chat to my son.
Okay.
With the walk plenty.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure's all mine.